In this first part of the question, we want to basically get x on one side by itself. It's a bit like solving an equation. Like if I had a 2 here, then we would say to add 3 to both sides. Well, we still do that because y will equal 2 at some point. But in this case, we'll get y plus 3 equals 7x. And then if we had 2 and you got 5, what would you then do? You would divide by 7. The same thing here. Divide by 7. And we're going to get that x is equal to y plus 3 all over 7. We've made x the subject of the equation. Factorising. So this first one, we've got a common, so it's always good to look for common factors. And here we have a common factor of x. So that's what we're going to take out. And then we need to think, what do I multiply by x to give me x squared? Well, that's going to be x. And what do I multiply by x to give me minus xy? That's going to be minus y. Lastly, factorising this one. Now there are no common factors. This is a quadratic. I mean, that's a. I don't think that is a quadratic actually because of the y in there. This one is a typical quadratic that we see. So how do we deal with this? This is when we have double brackets. So I'm going to have an x and an x. I want to get 12 when I multiply them together and 8 when I add them, because that's how it's going to work. When I multiply the numbers together, I get 12. When I multiply, I get an x here and I get an x over here. So what's going to work? I could write down some factors of 12, 1 and 12. They're not going to work. 2 and 6, yes, because that adds to 8. So it's going to be x plus 2 and x plus 6. So I think I said 8 a minute ago, but 2 and 6, that's our answer. I'm just going to write it down here just to finish off in the answer space. Okay.